What are the signs that you will see to know that your divine counterpart is thinking about you or maybe reaching out to you? So what will you see? What will you see? What will you feel? Because that's a big thing. You will feel something. We're going to delve into it today. Twins, remember, are one energetic system. You work in a tandem frequency. This is not two souls. This is one energetic system. And if there's one thing that you take away from today's video, is to know that you are not separate. When you get into thinking that you are separate, you are in separation consciousness. Now, let's delve into the signs and synchronicities. First of all, the number signs and synchronicities will be there. So you will see those special numbers that are very relevant to this journey, like the 111s, like the treble 2s, the treble 3s, the 444, or also the mirror numbers. So 10, 10, 18, 18, 12, 12. They will be unique to your coding. So your soul has its own coding frequency. And so the way that your soul talks to you, and when I say talks, whispers to you, has its own unique frequency. You will also, on this journey, have those signs and synchronicities of animal spirit too. And that might be stag, it might be crow, it might be that blue butterfly, it might be the swan energy. Those are the overriding ones, but there will be that unique spirit animal that is unique to your journey as well. So when divine masculine is starting to think, feel, and tap into that third energetic field, it starts to activate the number synchronicities. Also, the animal spirit guides start to show up again. Also, music, when they are starting to think, when they're thinking about the connection, when they're also coming into that soul essence frequency, you will start to see it, and music will start to speak a different language. I also want to talk about, and this is never really discussed very much on the journey, but it is something that really happens. Divine masculine is always signposting the divine feminine on this journey. Now, they don't often signpost with words, i.e. not words said directly. They are said in a conversation, or you will see signs that they are giving you, and it may be just in a picture, it may be something they've sent you. These signs are pointers for the journey for you, but let me tell you, they're not pointing outside of you, they're pointing you deeper into your truth. Another, and this is the most important one, of knowing whether your divine counterpart is shifting and starting to think about you, and even more so starting to think, should I reach out, is how your vibration is thinking and feeling. So if you are wondering, trying, obsessively thinking, if you're thinking, searching out, getting tarot, oracle readings, and like I always say, tarot and oracle readings are not a bad thing. I have tarot and oracle decks all around my office. They are not a bad thing. What it is the underlying energy. And that is also said for twin flame information. And I make twin flame information. If you are searching outside of the self, but not in a way of, okay, how's this going to take me deeper? But in the way of, what are they doing? What are they thinking? Am I going to get a reunion? Are they coming back in? That is push energy. You are pushing your energy out. You are seeking outside of the self. But when you are going, okay, I accept that I'm on a journey. I know that I'm on a journey, and I surrender it over to divine. I know that this journey is always taking me deeper into self. I know that this journey activated that Sophia Christ spark within the heart chakra, and I am only ever going to come deeper into that when I shed, when I unbecome, when I let go, when I surrender deeper into myself, when I realize that I am everything but also equally nothing. And actually, this journey is a journey of accepting the emptiness. When you can accept the emptiness, and I know this video now is going a little deeper, then you accept that oneness of the universe. In that energy, you are in Sophia Christ conscious frequency. You are in the oneness frequency. You are no longer being driven by the mind and ego. The mind and ego always wants an outcome, always wants a destination, is always looking for that duality. Is it good or is it bad? If it's good, I want it. If it's bad, no, I reject it. That is not the journey that you are on. And remember, like I always say, not everybody who believes they're on a twin flame journey is really on one. If you are solely, and let me tell you this, early on in the journey, you will solely look at it like love and romance. But there will be things that happen, i.e. core wounds activated, the ego death and dark night of the soul, the kundalini activation. These are all signs that you are on a deeply spiritual journey, the twin flame journey. And this is a journey of transcending the mind and ego. The mind and ego is always driven, is always wanting outcome, is always looking at everything, judging it. Is it good or bad? By your emotions, by your beliefs. Now, we are not spiritually bypassing, but we are seeing it from a whole and complete point of view. When I am believing that this is over, there is no hope, everything is lost, guess what? You are in separation consciousness. But when you see it from the highest perspective, the shamanic view of the eagle, you see it that there is no death, there is only transformation. And that actually, you are not your body, you are not your mind and ego, you are simply consciousness. You have always been consciousness, and consciousness is simply witnessing itself and expanding its level of frequency and vibration through your expression, through your eyes, through your belief system. But as you transcend the mind and ego, you come into that oneness, you come into that soul essence, and that soul essence is where your divine counterpart can meet you there. So how do you know if they're returning? Because you will start to feel that inner union. You will start to shift into that inner union. And it comes in layers. Remember, this is like layers of the onion being peeled back. You are in the perfect place. And know that this is always a forward moving journey. If you need more help and support on your journey, my website is there. It is 3Ws.catsacredsoul.com. It takes you deep, whether it's understanding the A to Z of the twin flame journey, whether it's needing support so you don't feel alone, to stop the endless searching, or if you're ready to up level, then we go way deeper and we have some beautiful stuff to support you on your spiritual journey back home to self. From my heart to your heart, much love.